How to share translation with other using Itranslate. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to share translation with other using Itranslate. So in order to share translation with other using the Itranslate, you can follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and log in into your iTranslation account and then type in the text that you wish to translate and click the translate button located right at the bottom. So when you've translated the following sentences or the word, then you can see the response as well. Now accordingly, to share it with others, then you can tap the share button located right in the corner, and here you can go ahead and select the contact to whom you wish to share it. You can also share it through different platforms like email, maybe WhatsApp, or some sort of Instagram and all that. So accordingly, select that and you'll be able to translate or share the translation with other using the Itranslate. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.